Hi, this is Maria. Did you know that Noteshelf has free covers and papers and a new 2020 Digi Diary and is included with your purchase of Noteshelf? So when I open my Noteshelf, it looks like this. I'm going to click this little folder icon. It brings you folders. This is everything that I have loaded already. Click the gear at the top. You will see that free covers and paper templates comes up. So click on that. Now you have to join the Noteshelf Club. It's a login with a password, but it is free. So simply become a member and you have access to all these free things, okay? So once you're logged in, this is what you're gonna see. And you see hit get. You're not gonna pay for any of that, okay? There's a lot of options. So you can get, for example, holiday papers. You can see them before you download. Student papers. There's a lot of grids there. Productivity papers. It looks like I've already downloaded that one. Lots and lots of options that you can get. Covers, book covers. And let's go ahead and look at the Digi Diaries. So this is a minimalistic but fully hyperlinked diary. It's not going to be as pretty as your store-bought Etsy purchases, but if you're just looking to see if this is something that's going to appeal to you, this is free and included with your purchase of Noteshelf. So let's go ahead and download this. Download complete. I'm going to close that and I'm going to add a new notebook. Choose a cover and choose a paper. So I'm going to choose, let's see, there is a list of covers. So I'm going to go to 2020 Digi Diaries and let's pick a blue one. And this side will be my paper. These are included. So some of these I've downloaded from that same manner I just did the papers. But these are free, okay? I didn't pay any extra for any of these. So I'm looking for the paper that says 2020 Digi Diary. I can pick portrait or landscape. I prefer landscape. Do I want a week that starts on a Sunday or a Monday? I want a Sunday start. That's what it's going to look like. I can go back and change my mind from any of the other included ones. We're going to go right back to 2020. This is the new options. What did I say? Blue. We can title that. And we're going to create. And let's see what that looks like. Okay, so it looks like this. It opened right up. It tells me what page I'm on. It says it's April 11th, which it is today that I'm filming. If I click on Saturday, it brought me a week there. If I click Monday, it brought me to April 6th. If I click the 2020, it takes me to a yearly view. January took me to a monthly view. January 1st took me to actually January 1st. That's not a link. That's not a link. But like I said, this is not the prettiest planner I've ever seen. The year was a link. This is not a link, but this one is. January 2020 is a link. February. So the word February is not a link, but the year is a link. And these, that was January 31st. I can also swipe it, and I can also use my index here to see my entire journal. I can search. It's all the same basics. I can bookmark from here. I can bookmark from here and then say just show me the bookmark pages, or show me the entire journal. Show me that page. I want to see March. So like I said, it's not the prettiest thing, but if you're not certain that you're gonna like planning, this is a good way to start. You can still add in your purchased images. Okay, long press, edit, just like we do on all my other videos. And add in your, make it personal, okay? You can long press and lock that image so that when you write on it, you can move that handwriting. So all the new features are working with this freebie version, just like it does in my purchased Etsy journal. I can erase that. I can pen tool and unlock so that I can move this again. I can delete that. I can, of course, with Noteshelf you have clip art that you can add in. That's included for free. And make this as personal and as pretty and as detailed as you want it to be. Okay, and that way you get your feet wet to see if you like digital planning and to see if this is something you want to invest in. My handwriting is not the neatest, so I can switch to the pen tool, make that box a little smaller, and do something else. I can, since that whole word is selected, preset fonts. I can change my fonts from here. Anything that I've pre-purchased is going to show up there. Change my font size, change my font color, set a default, move that text box around, and my lasso functions work in here as well. Lasso, change the color. Very, very cool. Like I said, Noteshelf is very user-friendly. It's very fast. It loads pages really quickly, and this is a great way to get started without spending any additional cost. It's a good way to get your feet wet. Thanks for watching.